Question 7. A fair six-sided dice and a fair coin are thrown together once. Circle the correct answer for each of the following statements. The number of possible outcomes is 2, 6, 8, 12 or 24. Well, to systematically count the number of possible outcomes, I shall do a quick sample space diagram. So if I toss a coin, I can get a heads or a tails. If I roll a dice, I can get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. I can get a head and a 1, head and a 2, head and a 3, head and a 4, head and a 5, and a head and a 6. And I can get the same number of outcomes with tails. Tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, and tail 6. So if I count up the number of possible outcomes, I can see that I've got 12, so I'll circle that 12. Part B. What's the probability of getting a 4 on a dice and a tail on a coin? And it gives us a number of fractions here. Well, there's only one outcome where we can get a tail and a 4. So the probability is 1 successful outcomes out of a possible 12 outcomes. So the probability is 1 over 12, so I'm going to circle that. Part C, what's the probability of getting a multiple of 3 on the dice and a head on the coin? And it gives me lots of different probabilities. So a multiple of 3 would be a 3 or a 6, and a head, well, is a head. So there are 2 successful outcomes out of a possible 12. So the probability is 2 over 12. But if I look in my list, I can't see 2 over 12. So if I cancel down this probability, or simplify it, i.e. divide the top and the bottom by the highest common factor, which is 2 in this case, 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 12 goes 6 times. That fraction is an equivalent fraction to 2 over 12 and an equivalent probability. So the probability can be expressed as 1 over 6, and I found that in my list there.